Hello, let's draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, heart, circle, square, octagon, star, triangle, heart, circle, square, octagon, star. Let's learn some colors: red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, olive green color, cerulean blue color, cool grey color, forest green color, carmine color, old red color, olive green color, cerulean blue color, cool grey color, forest green color, carmine color, old red color. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.